Are you looking for the top 5 Wi-Fi camera? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 Wi-Fi camera on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. AOSU Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor Home System. True 2K HD AOSU WirelessCam Pro System.
Just a minute to install,
security
and it's
camera
been quietly
outdoor
protecting
wireless
us ever
home security
since.
system.
Even with a
60%
bit of
improved
shade,
from
3
1080p.
hours of sun
You can
a day
record videos
keeps
and
it
capture
fully.
photos with picture-perfect detail and color. See who's there even at night in superior clarity with AOSU Outdoor Camera Wireless. 166 degrees ultra-wide angle.
It tracks
AOSU
movement
Wireless
smoothly
Home
across
adopts
cameras,
7 pieces
and the details
with advanced
spot on.
ultra-clear wide-angle lens,
Now I'm not
giving
just
you an
watching the front
ultra-wide
door.
view of your property.
I'm watching every
Maximum
corner that
corrected image to remove fisheye distortion. Wireless cameras for home security. Smart alerts, quicker action. Receive instant notifications for people coming, passing, staying. With quick
And
preview
when the
images,
sun
you can
goes
judge
down,
and react
I
quickly to
still
potential
see
threats.
everything in
Our
full
wireless
color,
security
up to
camera
33
system
feet out.
provides
Local
greater
storage,
convenience
private,
when keeping an
secure,
eye on your
and
home security.
no
240-day security from one charge. Large capacity, 1.37 times that of others, more accurate event detection. Avoid frequent charging for outdoor security cameras. Enjoy 240-day battery life on one charge. Astra's battery life is based on lab data with 40 events/day, 10s recording each. Actual battery life varies with detection frequency, video length, and live viewing time. Number 2. AOSU Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless. For Cam Kit, 166 degrees ultra-wide angle, battery powered. Maximize security coverage. 166 degrees ultra-wide angle lens provides complete coverage without any blind spots. Live view all outdoor security cameras at once on a single screen, providing you with unparalleled visibility and control over your property. Rest assured that your home will be fully protected. Advanced encryption and free local storage. Remotely access your locally secured smart camera footage in the included hub, built-in 32 gigabytes for up to 4 months of loop recording. Keep your home secure with AOSU Reliable Home Security Camera Solution, WirelessCam Pro System. Smart alerts, quicker action. Receive instant notifications for people coming, passing, staying. With quick preview image so you can judge and react quickly to potential threats, our wireless camera system provides greater convenience when keeping an eye on your home security. See every detail, true 2K resolution, captures crystal clear details day and night with an integrated spotlight, so you can see more important features through these outside security cameras like faces or license plates in full color night vision. Number 3. AOSU 2K add-on camera requires WirelessCam/SolarCam HomeBase. Advanced night vision technology. Capture crystal clear video footage even in low light conditions with the integrated spotlight and enhanced color night vision, ensuring you never miss a detail. Ultra-wide field of view. With a 166 degrees ultra-wide angle lens, this camera provides an expansive view of your surroundings, allowing you to monitor your front door, backyard, and garage with ease. Smart human detection. Minimize unnecessary notifications with the PIR and humanoid motion sensor, which intelligently distinguishes between human movement and other objects, alluring you only when it detects a person. Impressive battery life. Powered by a large capacity battery, this camera can operate for up to 240 days on a single charge, eliminating the need for frequent recharging and ensuring uninterrupted outdoor security monitoring. Seamless connectivity. Leverage the power of Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5.0 GHz connectivity to stream live video and receive instant alerts on your smartphone, enabling you to stay vigilant and in control from anywhere. Number 4. 2K Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 4-pack battery-powered Wi-Fi cameras for home security. This outdoor wireless camera only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. PIR motion detection and AI analysis recognition. Rocktone wireless security cameras feature advanced PIR motion detection technology, which triggers instant alerts to your phone via the Vika Home app when motion is detected. With its cutting-edge AI analysis, the system can accurately distinguish between people, vehicles, pets, and packages. Recognition accuracy rate is as high as 95%. 2K QHD resolution and full color night vision. Unlike typical 1080p cameras, the Rocktone outdoor wireless camera offers 2K UHD resolution, providing double the clarity. It features a wide-angle field of view and boasts 2 night vision modes, full color and infrared, allowing for a maximum monitoring range of 33 feet. This ensures that you capture high-quality videos and images even in low-light conditions. 100% wireless, rechargeable, weatherproof. This outdoor security camera boasts a high-capacity rechargeable battery and operates wirelessly for hassle-free installation. It comes with mounting bracket and screws, eliminating the need for complex wiring and additional power sockets. A single charge provides 1 to 5 months of operation. With an IP66 waterproof rating, this camera is highly weather-resistant and performs reliably in various adverse conditions. Number 5. ANRAN 2K cameras for home security outside. Solar security cameras, wireless outdoor. Unparalleled surveillance. Experience crystal-clear 2K FHD video and vibrant color night vision with these solar-powered wireless security cameras, ensuring round-the-clock monitoring of your home or business. Hassle-free installation. Powered by the sun, these weatherproof IP67 cameras eliminate the need for wires, providing effortless installation and continuous operation without any electrical connectivity. Intelligent detection. Advanced AI motion detection and customizable monitoring zones distinguish between people, pets, vehicles, and deliveries, ensuring accurate alerts and two-way audio communication. Secure storage options. Enjoy the flexibility of dual storage modes. Save footage on an SD card, up to 128 gigabytes, or take advantage of free lifetime cloud storage with 7-day loop coverage, ensuring your privacy with encrypted videos.